high precision and high hardness powder metallurgy made machinery components and spare parts are made by Champion Powder Metallurgy. Established in 1983, Champion Powder Metallurgy Company Limited specializes in manufacturing high-strength and hardness metal parts for hand tools, electric appliances, power pneumatic tools, logs, sport equipment, and more from powder metallurgy. Quality and customer service is our management philosophy. Our professional powder metallurgy proficiency is our corporate foundation. The professional managers are leading in R&D, management, marketing, and quality control respectively to make the product in diversification, refinement, and excellent quality. These elements are the keys to keep our corporation improving and foresee the opportunity.